There's something kind of calming about doing the same thing each morning. Packing lunch with care, even if it's just rice balls. I used pitaya powder to make the rice pink. No artificial dyes, just a bit of fun. My kids love seeing these in their lunchbox. It feels like a little gift from home in the middle of their day. And while I was at it, I packed myself a lunch too.
The food? Yeah, okay.
I usually forget, but it felt so good to sit down later and just enjoy it. A quiet little pause before the day picked up again. If this kind of video brings you a bit of peace, I'd love if you subscribe.